It's the official tractor of tough. Mahindra builds it. You want it? 5-Star Power Sports has got it. Cutting grass, digging a foundation, plowing up the North 40. 5-Star's got you covered. New 4x4 diesel tractors from only $39 a week. You heard it, $39 a week. Mahindra, the official tractor of tough. Only at 5-Star Power Sports.
5-Star Power Sports. You were born